Campaigners in Northamptonshire have lost their High Court bid to stop plans for a low-level nuclear waste dump near their village, which they claim could affect public health.
Yes, members of Cliffe Waste Watchers had argued that a government decision to approve it back in May had been either irrational or illegal. Russell Hookey has more.
Hello?
It had always been a long shot, but for campaigners in Cliffe in Northamptonshire, defeat in the High Court was still unexpected. Villagers had travelled to London en masse yesterday, hoping to prevent a radioactive waste dump on their doorstep.
The reason that we thought we had a good case here for the judicial review was that by allowing the current permission to go ahead without taking into account the fact that Augean were applying for a huge extension in land site and a huge extension in time, that the permission that was given was not really based on the true facts.
The company which owns the controversial site just a mile and a half away had always argued the challenge would fail. Today, Augean told us it's reassuring the integrity of the environmental impact assessment has been reaffirmed. The challenge was made on a narrow point of law and did not relate to the safety of the proposal. Despite months of campaigning against this site, there's no sign of weariness or apathy setting in among villagers. In fact, campaigners say the court case has encouraged more people to join their cause. They've described this as a setback which can only galvanise the community. In court today, the judge told lawyers for the campaigners he wouldn't give them leave to appeal. However, they can still seek permission from the Court of Appeal.
Cliffe is a precursor of what could happen to many other rural places all over the country when or as nuclear power stations are demolished. This waste, they start looking around to put it somewhere. We say that it should be kept where it is. After all, that's where it was created, that's where the profits were made.
Meanwhile, Augean has agreed not to dump any radioactive waste at Cliffe for the next 4 weeks to allow an appeal to take place.
We're not finished yet. We'll keep going, we'll keep fighting as long as we possibly can.
Russell Hookey, Anglia News, Cliffe in Northamptonshire.